and skill. Watch it grow.
Hey gifted crafters, welcome back to my channel. So I am obviously not in my craft room today. We are visiting Bradenton, Florida, and we are here at the Cotton Patch Quilt Shop. And Laura is super nice and allowed us to be able to film here today and show us all the wonderful quilts and beautiful items that she has in her store. Thanks, Laura. And I really appreciate you letting us be here today.
Oh, you're welcome.
Tell us, besides all the beautiful quilts that we have all around us, what makes this shop so special?
Well, we've been in business for 21 years. And the quilt that's behind us, we were in Quilt Sampler magazine in 2014. Oh. And I designed Sea Swept, and it is still a great seller. People love it. It's a very classic quilt. We love bright, we love beachy, we love fun. So that kind of, that's sort of how we buy our fabrics and plan our projects. We do a lot of bags and stuff like that. Oh, you have the beautiful colors. I mean, just when you walk in here, guys, it's amazing. You have this just feeling as soon as you walk in and you get that beachy vibe. So I love the colors on this quilt. So you said this was in the magazine. That's amazing. Now, how long did it take you to do this quilt? Well, not as long as you'd think, because I was on a really strict deadline.
Oh, that helps.
They only give you like about a month to make the quilt, and I had to get it long-armed and everything. So, yeah. And so that's why it's the size it is, because I kind of ran out of time. I had a deadline, and it was like, okay, this is as many blocks as I have done.
Wow. Well, it's absolutely amazing.
We do have the pattern. We have the pattern available, and it's sized in 4 different sizes. So you can make it up to a king size.
Oh, wow.
We do have kits available too. We have kind of a recipe with our batiks. It has 50 batiks and then the background in it. So.
Let's take a look at the background on this here. And the backing, gorgeous. Look at the backing, it's gorgeous. Love it. And the background is absolutely gorgeous the way it's quilted.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
She did a really good job.
Yeah, absolutely amazing. So tell us about some other stuff you have here.
Well, I go to Symposium every year. Karen Montgomery works with a group of about 60 shop owners, and we get together usually in January. And we have like 4 days of just like learning and fun, and she gives us programs like Block of the Month or different things like that. We have educational opportunities there. She usually brings in somebody from a batting company, somebody from a thread company, because, the more that we can know about our products and I can share that with our customers, the better off it is. So,
and we sure have a lot of gadgets and gizmos out there, right?
Well, and just things like, okay, should I starch my fabric? What should I use? That's the whole thing,
Yeah, a lot of people get really confused on whether to starch or not starch.
Right.
It can be so overwhelming with all the information that's out there on what to do.
Absolutely. I'm team starch.
Yes, I am too.
So one of the things also that Karen does is she does a exclusive fabric line for the Symposium shop. So only a shop that goes to Symposium can get the fabric. And this is her one for this year. It's a beautiful stripe done in jewel tones that does not repeat all the way across. And you can get some really interesting things out of it. Like this is a 90-degree angle, and this one was cut from the same strip. You can see the chain. So you get kind of cool things like that.
See if we can hold that up. They can see that up close. These are just beautiful.
Yep, and this quilt was made by cutting the strips, and it doesn't matter where you sliced it. You got these really cool designs with it. So
that's amazing.
So that's kind of a fun special thing that we have here is the Symposium fabric. We do a Facebook Live twice a week on Friday nights. We go live at 6 o'clock for a treasure hunt.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
It is. People love it. People love it. So it's a lot of onesies. It's, some old samples, fabric that I went to market and I came home with this big suitcase full of stuff. And then it was like, oh, I don't think we're going to get to this. But people love it. So lots of goodies. You never know what it'll be. And then on Sunday nights at 7 o'clock, we go live with all the new things. We make up kits. I try to do demos.
You guys really have a blast here.
We do. Well, if it,
just a fun happening place.
Why do it if it's not fun?
Yeah.
We have 3 basset hounds in the shop.
Yes.
So, so that's kind of fun.
They are adorable.
People come in, they'll be like, are the dogs here? Are the dogs here? Well, I'm here. But anyway, so that's a really fun part about it. So you must love dogs to come here.
Yes. Well, they are adorable. And they came up to greet me.
Yep, that's their job. They gotta earn that kibble.
Now, do people come and bring little treats for them?
Not usually. They get plenty of treats.
Yeah, I'm pretty.
Although
sure
the mailman brings these little bacon treats every day. So Stanley stands in his chair and looks out the window when he sees the mail truck, and
he knows. He's bringing something, Mom. That's adorable. Alrighty, so we're gonna just kind of take you guys around and show you a couple of quilts, and we'll give you a little bit of information on it. So let's set up for our next quilt and we'll show them what else you have.
Okay.
Okay, so with Christmas, Halloween, and Thanksgiving around the corner, we've got some beautiful pillow wraps that she's got for sale here. So Laura, tell us about these, because these are just adorable.
They're really fun. So it's called a pillow wrap because it is a wrap around a pillow. And they come in these awesome kits from the Whole Country Caboodle. We carry all 12 of them. The pillow is actually made from a tea towel that comes in the kit. The back of it is basil, so it's a foam. All the pieces are pre-fused and pre-cut.
Oh, wow.
And then if there's anything fancy in there, like there's a snowflake button here, that's included. The rickrack is included. The Velcro is included. Really everything to make the pillow wrap is included except the thread and the pillow form. Oh. And what's really great is that you only need one pillow form, because if you're going to display one at a time, so it's going to store really flat.
Oh,
You're not going to have like a whole cupboard full of pillows.
Right. Yeah, I love that.
Yeah. So you can buy them individually, or we do a subscription. So we can mail one to you every month if you want to sign up for that, or you can just buy whatever month you like.
Oh, this is awesome. And they have all kinds of designs for all kinds of holidays. Yep. Love the Christmas one. We've got the snowman here behind you.
Yep. People like the turkey a lot.
Oh, the turkey. Of course. Can't forget the turkey.
Yep. And the pattern comes with it. So if you want to put the jack-o'-lantern on something else, you have the pattern too.
Nice.
You'd have to do your own fusing and cutting then, but.
That's fine. Well, I love it. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And you can get these on your online shop,
website.
right on the website. Okay. Awesome. I love it. Now we're going to take a look at some blocks that I think are just adorable little wall hangings. So let me just bring those over for you. Okay, so we have these adorable little mini wall hangings, and they've got one for each month. And it's so adorable. I mean, these are cute little fun projects to make. And they look like little quick projects that you can put together. Yeah. So tell us a little bit about these.
So these are the monthly trucks, and sometimes they face left, sometimes they face right. And they always have something in the truck bed. And we always try to do a little bit of glitter, a little bling. So it's the glitter vinyl, and we have that in most of them. But they're just fun little projects. These you would trace and cut and fuse yourself, but there's not that much to them, so they go pretty quick. And there's one for each month. The kits are available on the website. So it's Vintage Truck is the name of the product. Okay. Yeah. And you can put it on a hanger like Nancy has there. Yep, and then just switch it out every month.
Yeah.
So Just something
so
fun.
cute. You can put, a nice little place on top of the table in your home, just swap it out every month with a new one, right? I really love it.
You could make a pillow if you wanted to.
Yes, you can.
Center of a pillow.
Just the back of, really, really cute.
Yep.
I mean, I love the June. I love those strawberries. That just kind of got it for me.
Yeah.
I really love this. But how cute would this be? Cute little gifts that you can make as well. And really is a nice, quick little project. Really adorable. So we'll just kind of glance around the rest of the shop and just kind of give you guys a little tour of all the other things that she's got. Okay, Laura, so we are standing in front of this amazing quilt that uses the yo-yos here. And just tell us about this quilt because it's just amazing. It's such a blast. I absolutely love this.
Yeah. Well, it's a fun quilt. It's done with fusible machine applique. And there's rickrack on it, and there's 3 sizes of yo-yos. We have the jumbo, we have the small and the large. It's got prairie points. One of our former teachers, Meg Forrester, made this quilt, and when she left the area, she gifted it to the shop. And we love having it because it's so Florida and so happy.
And I just love the sea life. It's absolutely adorable. Now, let's see what the backing looks like because I didn't get a chance to take a peek at that.
Okay.
Oh, how fun. That is so much fun. Oh, my gosh. Super, super cute. I really love it. And I love how the crabs and the little fishies, I mean, it really makes it pop, it really stands out. And I love the quilting that she got. She's quilted a seahorse. I mean, it's
amazing.
Beautiful,
yeah.
beautiful, beautiful work.
There's bubbles in this part, and then, turtles, seahorses, sand dollars.
And on the borders as well, right? So on the borders, she's got these really cute turtles all kind of going up around. Absolutely beautiful with the 2 little fishies down here on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just so cute.
Yeah.
So cute, so much fun. Now, is there a pattern or anything that she left with this?
There is. The pattern is Ocean Frolic, and it is by Marsha Layton, who's actually in Tampa.
Oh,
she's a local Florida designer. So we have this available on our website. We do have a website.
Great.
CottonPatchQuiltShop.com. We ship all over. Awesome.
So, CottonPatchQuiltShop.com, guys. You can get all kinds of patterns for super, super cute quilts and so many things that she has in the shop. Now, you do classes as well, and you do all kinds of fun stuff.
We're just starting classes again. We've not had a classroom since COVID.
Okay.
We kind of turned it into a packing shipping area to... we kind of had a big pivot.
Yeah, I think everyone did.
Yep. So we just moved to this location in May, and we've kind of carved out a classroom, and we're just getting going with some classes. So,
how exciting.
Yeah,
so if you guys are in the area, check them out. Are there schedules or anything online that they can see when your classes are?
Soon.
Okay.
Yep. We're just kind of getting down dates and everything. So very soon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And she's got some machines on here as well. I see some Brother machines, Janome machines. I mean, this place is amazing. It's really, really nice.
Okay. Well, thanks so much for stopping by. It's been really fun. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You taking the time out for us. And this is an amazing shop. So I know I'll be back.
Thanks.
Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to be crafting with you soon.
Nancy and her gifted crafters, bringing joy and happiness. She's Nancy with Gifts HQ, the queen of crafting bliss. From yarn to fabric, she makes dreams come true with every stitch. Quilts and scarves, hats and more, her creations never miss. Nancy and her